Hello friends, this is our QLQ automatic nylon zipper slider mounting and cutting machine. For this machine, the output is about 2,000 pieces per hour. And about these machines, one machine is used for one size zipper. The zipper teeth is on the bottom, and the zipper will go through the wheels and go into here. This is the vibrating brake, and then the zipper will go through the channel one by one, and mounting and cutting here. This is the control screen. Okay, you can see. Okay, you can see the zipper goes through the wheel and go into here. The slider will go through the channel one by one and mounting and cutting here. The labor hands will push the zipper down here. You can see. The zipper is very smooth. That's all. Thank you.